When I look at the ingredients, I start having inspirations from home. What I cook for the kids. What my wife loves. They are my critics. They always tell me, Papa, cook with love. I need to be very careful on my selection of the pair. I want to give the judges a good dish with good flavors and love.
Play into your strengths.
Yes.
Well done. You have 75 minutes starting now.
I'm gonna cook a simple home-cooked dish and change it into a restaurant-class dish for the judges. Lamb and peas are one of my favorites to cook for my kids. They love peas and lamb.
Make full use of that extra 15 minutes.
Lemon, lime. I'm doing a lamb with spice rub, cumin, coriander, ground coriander, bit of chili. Hopefully, this is gonna be a history-making dish.
You're up against a serious chef today. If anyone knows that, it's me. Okay, hurry.
I'm doing spice rub lamb with pea puree and curry sauce. But to get my second pin, I need to elevate the dish.
Come on, Sashi.
Come on, Sashi, show them what we're made of, mate.
I want this second pin so badly. I'm thinking what will go well with lamb.
Come on, Sashi.
Go, Sashi, come on, mate.
Brussels sprout and broccoli.
Come on, mate, fire up. Come on, Sashi.
I'm determined to make this dish the best I've ever made. Brussels sprout, where is it?
Bring it, Sashi. Come on, run.
Okay.
I cut the Brussels sprout and broccoli. Coat them with chili, turmeric, and chickpea flour.
Come on, Sashi, come on.
The judges love flavors, and I'm good with flavors. So I'm gonna impress them with my flavors.
It's looking good, Sashi.
I'm very focused. Now I'm working on my sauce. I'm gonna render the fats from the trimming.
You're gonna put spices in the sauce?
Yeah.
Or? Yeah.
If I want to get my second pin, I need to work on flavor.
Come on, mate. It's got to be bloody punchy, yeah. It's good stuff.
It's got to be better than all right, Sashi. You can do that.
I'm very confident with the flavors from the curry sauce. It will be a good advantage for me. I'm very confident about this dish.
And then it's going to show that refinement you've learned.
You're gonna get a beautiful, flavorful sauce in the end. So now I'm just searing the lamb. Once it's nice color on the fat side, it goes in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I want the lamb to be cooked medium rare. So I sear the lamb first, get a nice crust.
Oh, that looks beautiful, Sashi.
Come on, Sashi, come on, mate. Come on.
Then put it in the oven.
Come on, Sashi, come on.
I realized there's something missing in my dish. I need something tangy to cut through all this spice.
Come on, Sashi, come on.
Yogurt. Lemon yogurt. Classic combination.
Go, Sash.
I'm gonna make a light dressing with mint, yogurt, and cumin. The yogurt, it gives another level of creamy texture. It works beautifully in the lamb.
Come on, Sashi, come on.
Sashi, now is your time to make MasterChef history. There is 30 minutes to go. Come on.
Yes.
Let's do it. Come on, Sashi. Go with it, Amy Harmer. Your time. Let's go.
I'm frying the Brussels sprout and broccoli.
Smelling incredible.
So just keep it going.
They're looking good. It's all coming together. Lamb, pea puree, curry sauce.
How's your sauce? Your sauce is ready to go?
Yep.
Great. Got your yogurt?
Yogurt is in the fridge. I need to go as quickly as possible.
You pull the next 14 minutes off, you deserve it.
This second pin means everything to me. I am determined to make MasterChef history.
Come on, Sash.
The lamb is in the oven. I take it out.
Go, Sashi.
Rack of lamb is a very beautiful, but at the same time very delicate. For my boys at home, they don't like the lamb to be overcooked and they don't like the lamb to have too much of blood or undercooked. they are very choosy about the lamb. So getting the right temperature is very important. I checked the thermometer. It is bang on.
Yeah, good stuff, mate. Good stuff.
So 5 minutes before, I'll just cut them.
Oh, yeah, even less, you know.
I'm going to leave it to rest at least before I cut them.
Nice work. Good job, good job.
Plating is not my big strength. I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to highlight the main two elements. I'm putting the pea puree on the bottom with a big chunk of lamb rack on the center. It's going to be clean, beautiful.
Looks beautiful.
30 seconds to go. 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Come on.
Push to the end.
Like it all falls down, yeah. Bit more.
I'm almost there. Almost there. Drizzle the yogurt dressing on the side
Beautiful colors, Sashi.
and put the crunchy vegetables.
10, 9,